it's Ava. As you guys know, I spend a lot of time in Hawaii. I've never shown you guys literally what goes down pretty much every single day. So today I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm just gonna let this day play out as it normally would, but I have like kind of an idea of what we're gonna get into today. It's good stuff. This video is sponsored by Google Lens. You guys, I love Google Lens. I'm not just saying that. I've been using Google Lens for literally years, and I'm actually super excited to show you guys, if you guys don't know already, what it is, because it will change your freaking life. So Google Lens allows you to search what you see using your phone's camera or a screenshot. It's available on iOS, Android. You can find it on literally any device. Today I'm gonna be using it for shopping because Google Lens can help you find a ton of different items. Google Lens can help you find a product that's similar to what you're looking for, and it'll also show you how people have styled similar products. But the coolest thing about Google Lens is that it goes way beyond styling and clothing. You can Google Lens a plant, an animal. You can literally Google Lens your dog and it'll like tell you what type of dog it is. It'll tell you info on it. You can Google Lens menus. You can even copy and paste text and it'll translate it for you. When I was in Japan like last November with Brent, we were literally Google Lensing everything we saw because it was just such a cool feature. So definitely check it out. It's free to download. Google Lens is just super fun. Anyway, let's get into a day in my life in Hawaii. Do you guys want to come to Hawaii? Do it like this. Alright, so it's the morning, it's about 9 a.m. Now it's the time when I head on down to the Sunrise Shack and get some coffee. It's looking pretty oh! Even though it looks sunny outside, we all know that it could rain at any moment. The rain doesn't last long in Hawaii, but it is always good to have just something to throw over your head. I'm gonna find a sweater. Go on, I need to find a sweater. I want some coffee, Hanalei. I'm very tired. I woke up on a beach this morning. Would you please? Would you be so kind? One of the cool things with Google Lens is if you see a friend and they're wearing something and you really like it, just take a picture of your friend's outfit. It'll show me similar ones. I can adjust my price range and find the perfect sweater that fits me, you know, because not every sweater is made the same. Hi, Bree.
Hi.
Can I take a picture of your sweater? Please?
You want to think back?
Please.
Okay.
Thanks. Where'd you get it?
I don't know. I don't remember. Do you remember where you got every item of clothing that you ever bought?
Yes.
No, you don't.
Alright, sweetie, let's just fix you up.
Fix me up.
Oh yeah, that's good. These are gonna go on your Instagram. Oh my god, that one looks just like it.
Yeah.
I see one that I really like. This one looks super similar, so I think I'm gonna get this one. And I have a sweater. It's that easy. It's that easy. Let's go to the Sunrise Shack and get some coffee. Here at the Sunrise Shack. My friends started this, how long?
3 years ago.
3
It's been here, yeah.
years. I come here every morning to get coffee and get avocado toast, bunch of stuff.
Good way to start the morning.
Yeah, bottoms up.
Oh no, I can't do it.
So we're currently here at my favorite beach to go to with Hanalei because it's like no waves. None of my friends want to come here because there's no waves to surf, but it's perfect for Hanalei. She loves swimming in the ocean here. This is Hanalei's favorite toy. Hanalei. We're gonna take her down to the beach and go swimming. Let's go. I throw it and it doesn't even go that far. Yeah, Hanalei! Oh, she's gonna shake. She's gonna shake. Breathe. She's gonna shake. Ah! Buddy.
Hi.
Not a cell phone in sight, just dogs being dogs.
Hey, look at me. Oh, Hanalei has friends.
People don't swim, bro.
You're gross!
Just kidding, I love you!
Hanalei! What the heck?
Come on, Hanalei, come! You're gonna get the hose!
Come on, Hanalei, let's get these hoes!
Hanalei, come! Come on!
Oh. Hanalei, come on, no!
See, it's fun! You like it! You're looking good, Hanalei.
Why does she like that? free. Nope, not to the house. Is she getting groceries yet?
Yeah.
Hanalei! It is that easy. That's how you dry a dog. You just give them grass. Please serve plant.
Not right now.
Breathe.
No, I'm going to serve peach wine.
Please.
No. I'm going to serve peach wine.
Why won't you surf with me?
I will serve with you, just not now.
When you said that for fucking, you said that for fucking.
Come to beach park.
I can't surf beach park, Brie. I'll die.
You won't die.
Yes, I will.
Out of this video.
I will die. That's why
No, you won't.
I will die. I'm gonna die.
You might get tossed around a little bit, but clear out your sinuses.
I really wanted to surf today, but you know what? I think it's time for some food. It's been a pretty busy day. It's so funny because like I feel like people see photos of me in Hawaii and they're like, why do you never have clothes on? But like we don't wear clothes here. When I go to lunch, I do like to put something on. So I was just browsing this blog and I saw this really cute kind of like navy blue cropped turtleneck sweater. You can literally screenshot this blog post, put it into Google Lens, and it'll show me a similar crop top that I could wear to lunch today. And we have a crop top magic. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my God, is it inside?
No, it's not.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah. Positive.
Holy holy crap. So it's about sunset hour. I don't know, just the sunsets in Hawaii are just like pretty much every single night guaranteed to be incredible. No matter where we are, like we always try to come together for sunset just because it's gorgeous. Tonight I'm going to be taking my DJ equipment and heading over to my friend Jack's house because we're going to DJ for sunset. But we have to hurry because the sun is setting in like 30 minutes. Hi buddy! What's up buddy? What's up buddy? It's pretty huge. So we're gonna head over to Jack's house. I have this really cute dress that I got. I already own this dress, but I wanna try something new tonight with styling it. I can just take a picture of the dress that I already own, pop it into Google Lens, and it'll show me style inspiration from different bloggers on how I can dress this thing up because we gotta look good for that sunset hour. You know what I mean?
Answer it.
Fine. Hi Koa.
Hi Ava.
What's up?
You don't sound like you're DJing.
I would like to say that I'm proud of you.
You're proud of me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, I have a car full of squad, and we're gonna come listen to you.
Okay, that sounds good.
Okay, we're just trying to find a parking spot. We're like here already. But
Okay,
we'll stay on the
okay.
beach.
I'll be there in 5 minutes. It's a crowd thing tonight. Okay, we have to dress this dress up. I'm gonna lens this dress. We're gonna see some style inspiration on how I can dress this thing up. So let's do it. Okay, so I see a super cute picture of a girl that's wearing the dress with some black boots. I have the perfect boots for this. I see she's got some silver earrings on. I think that's what I wanna do. We're late. We're running late. No, you can't come with me, you sicko. Get out of here. We're encountering some traffic. Hi, Jack. Yeah.
Set it up. Yeah. Who does this? You know who does this? Ava does this.
I do it.
Right here. She plugs in her own gear, people. Real rock star.
Sunset we just watched. I guess we're having a bonfire tonight. that was not part of the plan, but I guess just in Hawaii, things just happen so randomly, and then all of a sudden there's a fire on the beach. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you so much to Google for sponsoring this video. I had so much fun working with Lens and just having fun with it, getting all dressed up today with it. I think now it's time to just enjoy the vibes of what time it is? It's dusk. Now it's just time to enjoy the vibes of dusk. So yeah, let's go enjoy the sunset.